Hi, welcome to Angel's Nook. I apologize in advance that I still have some laryngitis left, but I wanted to jump on here and let you guys go that next week we should be starting regular videos again. This has been an unbelievable summer here at Angel's Nook and the Smiths. We not only have been going through the fact that I had a serious hand injury, just as it was healing and we could start working again, and we had actually started working on the antique high chair that you'll see projected behind me. But then, just as things were like, okay, we can start opening up the shop again and work, we both got the latest variant of COVID. And let me tell you, it is not one you want. We are in our 4th week of recovery. I've never been hit by anything like this. Neither of us had had COVID before this point. Jim wound up in the emergency room twice in order to keep him able to breathe. It is definitely one you want to avoid. But in the process of all of that, it's taken a long time for us to even have some energy. Even now, just the short bursts of doing anything and your energy is gone. So definitely avoid it if you can. And if you get it, seek medical help immediately, because it is definitely not a variant to play with. The high chair that we're going to be putting out in the video next week is a very old. It's probably from somewhere between 1900 and 1910. It was beautifully made. It had a gorgeous woven caned seat in it, but that's really not a usable type of seat in modern times with children, and is not easy to clean. It had damage. I could have redone the caning in it, but chose not to because I wanted to make this piece something that could be used now and continue to be used forward in generations. So things like we have the tray that we have taken apart that we're going to be working on ways to salvage as much of this as we can, but make the tray in such a way that it's easy to clean, easy to sanitize now. And so we have lots of parts and pieces here just for that. All of this has been cleaned out before we got ill, and we planned ways to make it fit and usable for something that someone could enjoy now, because this particular high chair in its style serves as a youth chair as well, which is much nicer than stacking books on a chair for a child to sit at a table. So we look forward to being with you and getting regular videos out starting next week. And thanks for those of you that have hung in with us while we've been kind of silent over here. Take care, stay safe, and stay healthy.
So, yeah, I'm half Brittany Spaniel and half Border Collie, and afraid of water. What are you afraid of? Buttons? Really? You're kidding. Come on, you can do it. Thank you for watching.